Hey, how's it going? Thank you so much for dropping by to yet another Food with Adult video. Now, today I'm making something that I've never really had before, and I thought, you know what, let me go and give it a try because I've always loved salmon, I've always loved burgers. We're going to combine the two to make the ultimate salmon burger. This might be fantastic. I've never done it before, guys, so let's go and check it out, see how this is going to be. So I had two fillet pieces of salmon here and I cut off the ends because they were too long for the burger. I've got about inch thickness. I've taken the skins off. So just lightly salt and black pepper. Right, I've got a pan heating over here which I'm going to add a very small amount of olive oil. Perfect. Now, this should only take a couple of minutes per side. Let's go ahead and get some sauce ready. So a tablespoon of mayonnaise. Quarter of or half a teaspoon of tomato ketchup, quarter of a teaspoon of sriracha hot sauce, a small pinch of salt and a small pinch of pepper, a tiny squeeze of this lemon in there as well. Right, let's give this salmon piece a nice turn. That's got a beautiful golden colour on there, so exactly what I'm looking for. This, my friends, is ready. I can let it rest over here. Okay, that's got a nice golden brown colour on there. Just going to quickly sear off the side. I like it golden brown all the way around, if I'm honest. Right, salmon is ready, put to a side. We're going to toast our buns in this amazing flavour from the salmon and also the olive oil in there. Just suck up all them beautiful delicious juices. Right, the buns are toasted, let's set these aside. Now on with the butter lemon sauce. So I've got the two knobs of butter here. Just let that go golden brown and then we'll go in with the lemon, touch of salt and pepper, and that's it, we're ready. Right, ladies and gentlemen, the time has come to construct this burger. A beautiful dab of this sauce over this. Just get some of this shredded lettuce and just go straight onto this bottom layer of the bun. Let's come over with our beautiful salmon pieces over here. That's piece number one. Just nestle them in. Piece number two. Lay on the extra bits and pieces on top because why not? Don't forget them juices. And just literally come over with our beautiful butter lemon sauce and just drizzle some of that on there. Like, look at that. I mean, that looks pretty damn good. And then just add some more of this beautiful sauce on this top layer of the bun. There we are, my friends, a delicious looking salmon burger. So let's go ahead and give this a try because I'm curious to see how this is going to be. Right, before I eat this, there's literally one more thing to do. Turn this around this way and get a beautiful cross section on this burger. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 1, 2, 3. Oh wow. Right, here we are, guys, salmon burger. Let's give this a try. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's actually okay. It's not, I mean, I've had better burgers, but if you want something different, if you're tired of having lamb, chicken, beef burgers, I'm just tired of making salmon the same way every day on a plate, this would be the ideal way to have it. Don't get me wrong, it's absolutely delicious. It still doesn't come close to that beautiful grilled lamb burger. I just wanted to put my curiosity to the side and just see how it tastes. Go ahead and give it a try, and if you follow me on my Instagram account, then do tag me and show me how yours came out. If you liked it, if you never liked it, let me know in the comments below and hit that like if you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and I'll catch you all next time. Assalamu alaikum.